AT&T Smart Home Manager application. I have already AT&T broadband service and it is already set up. This is the main screen from the application. You have a couple of options to go with here. One is My Wi-Fi and the other one is For You, Network and Settings. Settings is only about the application settings and account settings. For You is have some subsections like the status of your internet, easily find weak Wi-Fi in your home, and let's scan for better Wi-Fi, your new smart home manager, and then the advertisement from AT&T. So let's start with the status. Tap Learn More, and currently I don't have any issue, but if I have the issue, I have only one option here to restart the network, which is going to restart the RG. And if that doesn't solve my issue, so I have a couple of things to consider. If none of them works, then I can contact to AT&T through Help, which is on the top right on the screen. The other one is easily find weak Wi-Fi in your home. This one I couldn't make it work because it asks me to be on the main Wi-Fi network, which is actually I'm on, but it doesn't find it, I guess. So I skip this one. The other one is let's scan for better Wi-Fi. This is a channel scan. It is going to find the best channel in this network and then set it to the RG. The other one is the AT&T advertisement, which I don't choose right now. Network, you have three options here. One is internet. I tap on internet, and you can see the speed of your broadband connection. These are the previous my speed test results. If I tap on Run Speed Test, it is going to run the speed test on the RG and it will show me the result. I will not tap on this, it is going to take some time. So I go back, and the other one is home network hardware. I have two options here. One is Wi-Fi gateway and the other one adding extender. I choose gateway, so I can restart my gateway. I can see the connected devices and the signal level bars here. I go back and I can see the location or set the location in this. And advanced settings is going to show me the RG graphical user interface via browser, which I will not click right now, and the device details, which is going to show me the serial number, MAC address, firmware version, model number, etc. And I go back. Edit is going to before going back, I tap on the edit. Edit can set the device name, which is seen on the screen right now. So I go back, and I have an add extender option here, and I can tap on the 4920. This is 4920. This is 4921. Next step, start setup. Let's continue. Next step, lights. He wants me to check the lights are solid. Next step, and he wants me to press the WPS button. After this, it is going to trigger the RG WPS and it's going to make the WPS pairing. This is going to take time. I am going to cancel this, and then I go back to the application again. It takes some time to start the application sometimes. So it was in network, and I have some extenders and it shows them offline, which is true. So it was the screen that I was adding extender. Here it was, which I canceled, and then I go back, then connected devices. These are my profile here on the profile section, and these are the clients. So I can create one here. Let's name it like test 1, and I can choose the days and restricted times, and I can put the client to this profile. Let's say not Windows. Okay, I go back. So here is the profiles and here is the clients, and individually I can pause the internet for a client, or I can add it to this client. I can add this client to a profile, or I can block it completely, and I can get the information for this device, which is where it is connected to, the type of connection, IP address, MAC address, and manufacturer of this device. I click on back, and then here's the network, then settings, app preferences. This is the application settings, and account. This is my account information, legal information, and this is the section that you give feedback for the application. I go back, and then this is logout and the application version. So at the home page, home screen, let's say, there's a help section also. So you can ask question to this from this interface. This is a robotic agent actually, so it is not connecting you to a real agent, but it tries to solve your issues, or tries to answer your questions. And there are predefined words or issues, so you can choose. Let's say I will choose slow Wi-Fi. It takes some time. He wants me to consider to adding extender in the first place, and I say basement, no. 2 floors. Let's choose big one, and this is the extender purchase now screen. So this is the help for auto troubleshooting. This is what application can do. These are the settings. So this is all about the smart home manager.